Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on, and your car showing sluggish performance or poor fuel economy? If your scanner is reading P0131, you might be dealing with a faulty oxygen sensor. A bad O2 sensor can cause rough idling, increased fuel consumption, and even long-term engine damage. Ignoring this code can lead to bigger problems, so let's find the sensor location, diagnose the issue, and fix it fast. Stay with me till the end to make sure your car runs smoothly again. The P0131 Trouble Code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, Bank 1, Sensor 1. The P0131 Trouble Code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, Bank 1, Sensor 1. This means the upstream O2 sensor is sending a low voltage signal to the ECU, affecting the air-fuel ratio and engine performance. Symptoms of P0131 include the check engine light turning on, rough idle and hesitation, poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, and increased exhaust emissions. Common causes of P0131 are a faulty O2 sensor on Bank 1 Sensor 1, which is the most common cause due to wear or damage, an exhaust leak before the sensor can cause incorrect readings, a vacuum leak where unmetered air enters the engine can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Damaged wiring or connectors such as corrosion, frayed wires, or a loose connector can cause voltage issues. Lastly, a bad fuel pressure regulator can cause the fuel mixture to be too lean, leading the sensor to read low voltage. The upstream O2 sensor, or Bank 1 Sensor 1, is located before the catalytic converter, mounted on the exhaust manifold or downpipe. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Bank 1, Sensor 1, also known as the upstream O2 sensor, is located before the catalytic converter. It's mounted on the exhaust manifold or downpipe. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. In a 4-cylinder engine, it's typically at the front exhaust manifold. For V6 or V8 engines, you should check the exhaust manifold on the side with cylinder 1. The O2 sensor is connected via a wiring harness near the exhaust system. You should look for any corroded or broken wires, as these can cause voltage issues. First, you need to check for exhaust leaks. First, check for exhaust leaks. Look for any leaks before the O2 sensor that may be causing incorrect readings. Next, inspect the O2 sensor wiring. Follow the sensor's wiring harness and check for any damage or loose connections. Finally, test the oxygen sensor. Use a multimeter or an OBD-II scanner to check the sensor's voltage output. A good O2 sensor should cycle between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts. Replace the O2 sensor if needed. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with a high-quality OEM or aftermarket O2 sensor. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the P0131 code with an OBD-II scanner and drive the car. If the check engine light stays off, the problem is fixed. That's how you fix P0131 oxygen sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 1. That's how you fix P0131 oxygen sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 1. If your engine is running rough or using more fuel than usual, check your oxygen sensor and exhaust system as soon as possible. For more car fixes, watch these next: 1. P0023, B camshaft position timing over advanced, Bank 2. 2. P0024, B camshaft position timing over retarded, Bank 2. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.